How's it going? I'm thinking that I might ask your opinion on this. This is the brake pedal or brake leg that came off the 95, and my dilemma is the brake pedal on the 90, where are you there, is smaller. The arm comes down, you can see where it starts off up the top there, and it comes down on an angle, kind of like that, and the pedal obviously ends up there, and this is the pad that goes on it. Now, obviously an automatic has a wider brake pedal. Now this arm here, instead of coming down on an angle, it comes straight and then on an angle to where it is, and around there like that. Both of them at this point here would be about the same pressure point. Now I could at a later date cut that the size so the rubber boot would fit, or rubber shoe, whatever you want to call that part, would fit on there. But would it really be that much of a dilemma to be that little bit wider right here? It'd be like, about that much wider here. Well, that's how it is on an automatic. Would it really be that much of a drama for it to be on a manual? So what would you do? Would you leave it as it is and continue what I'm doing with the cruise control here? The whole reason why I want to do this is because this has the cruise control bolt set up how it should be. Obviously I've painted it with Kill Rust, and that one's not, because I was getting this one ready to put in, but when I noticed the pedal I was like, oh, maybe I shouldn't. So for that purpose there, I could have this cruise control mounted exactly how it was in the 95. However, it does bolt in where it is, and it might not be a problem. So what do you reckon? Should I go for the hassle of changing the leg over, or just continue with what I'm doing?